All right, now I just finished blending up in my little food processor over here some dates, some medjool dates, and some mixed nuts. Now, what are we gonna do with this? What are you making? Well, if you've got a sweet tooth, or you're looking for something sweet, a little craving, nice sweet treat, or if you're one of those people like me that loves Kind bars or granola bars or protein bars, this is a really great recipe, guys. It's so simple. It's 3 ingredients. I took some medjool dates. Dates are actually really good for you. They've got a lot of really good health properties, a lot of antioxidants. They're actually good. They're 8 major health benefits that are in dates if you look it up. Some mixed nuts. I like to just get a bag of regular mixed nuts. I like the salted version because I like a little sweet and salty combination. Now look how easy this is. I just put it in my food processor, and what you'll notice is you're gonna get this nice, thick, gooey consistency. I'm just gonna take a baking pan. This is a square pan, anything you want, silicone pan. You're gonna see there's gonna be some residual oils from blending up the nuts, almost like if we were making like a nut butter or a peanut butter. And all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna press this down in my pan, really simple, right? This is so easy and it's so good. If you go to the store every day and you spend $2 or $3 on a Kind bar or a protein bar, this is a really cost-effective way. You can make these, you can have them ahead of time, just put them in little bags. It's so simple. I'm just gonna press that dough down in there, and then what I did, I've been melting down some chocolate chips. Now again, everything we do is plant-based. Check this out. We talk about how easy it is to find these ingredients nowadays. 15 years ago, when I became vegan and plant-based, you couldn't find any of this stuff. Nestle, Toll House. Who doesn't love Nestle Toll House? Check this out. These chocolate chips are free of every major allergen. Everyone, peanuts, tree nuts, eggs, milk, wheat, soy, fish, shellfish, they are all, there's nothing in them, no milk, no wheat. It's so great. And again, all these products are so readily available. And look how easy this is. I've just taken my chocolate in a pan on very, very low heat. I've just melted it down. You want to make sure you stir it constantly, right? Just melt that chocolate down. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to pour it on top of my mixture here. And you're not going to believe how good this is too. Dates have a really nice sweetness to them, but a little earthiness too. And again, they're good for you. This is real food. There's a little bit of, a little bit of sugar in the chocolate. You could do, I did a dark chocolate one that has less sugar. There's a lot of different options you could do. You could buy your favorite all dark chocolate bar. You could do that as well, but this is just super easy. And look at that. I'm just going to pour that on top of my mixture here. I'm going to spread it out evenly. Now what I'm going to do is, if I wanted to eat these a little faster, a little sooner, I could pop it into the freezer for about, 10, 15 minutes, or I could just put it in the refrigerator in the fridge, let it sit overnight. And what you're going to get, check this out, you're going to get these beautiful, gooey, delicious, sweet and savory, chocolate-covered date nut bars. Look at that. It's almost just like eating a candy bar, or for a little energy in the morning, like a Kind bar, any of those bars you buy from the store, and it's so good and good for you. And remember, for those of you that know, plant-based is the way to go.